So that clip that I showed earlier was from this morning, and I'm going to be covering today's video the Cam Phaser issue with a Ford F150 Raptor. With my truck, it had the Cam Phaser issue because that rattle noise occurred every time I started it up. It was getting worse and worse by the day. Right now, we're going to go ahead and start it up. I haven't remote started it from the outside to see if the Cam Phaser issue is gone, and then I'm going to do it when the truck is cold too, just to make sure the rattle is gone, because what they did is they did the software update. Before, what they would do is they would take the engine out, replace the Cam Phasers, issue solved. But now Ford issued a recall so that they can software update the vehicle, which supposedly fixes the issue. Sounds good right now. We're gonna wait a few hours, remote start it again, and if that clears, I'll be actually pretty happy with this. It's quite a job to get the Cam Phasers replaced and to completely replace it. I'm really not sure what the software update does, and they weren't very specific about it, but I know some Raptor owners are hesitant to do it because if you already have a tune on your car and they mess with the timing with that software update and your tune already advances timing, it's just gonna advance timing even more, so it could really mess things up. Well, here we are up in the garage. As you guys could hear, the noise happened again. And I seriously wasn't expecting it because it seemed fine driving home from the dealer. But now that the truck's been sitting for a little while and it's kind of cold, it happened on the initial startup. Tried it like 2 or 3 more times and it didn't. It's a lot more faint now, the noise. It used to be like 3 or 4 times louder. But this is how it sounded like when I first started to notice the issue, and it started to slowly build up to be worse. So, update on it. Cam Phaser software update did not work for the F-150 Raptor that I have, which is a 2018. Let me know if your guys's worked, because I'm curious to hear. Got the Gt350, CTS-V. All the cars are still chill up in the garage. Big plans for this thing coming very soon. No plans for the CTS-V right now. I'm a little bit disappointed about the truck. Like, they issued this update, but we'll see how it goes now. I'll make another update on if they actually replace the Cam Phasers once I bring it back in, or if they try to pull some BS. But the dealer I went to seemed pretty good, so fingers crossed, hoping for the best. This video was helpful. If you experienced the same thing or experienced something else, let me know down below in the comment section. Subscribe to see all the content with the Gt350, CTS-V, my brother CLA outside, and the Raptor. We do so much epic content. I'll see all you guys in the next one. Peace.
You see a carku, call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Bamba jinya beaten, sari diyan streetan. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop.